What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and if you love home decor, then you're in the right place. Today I'm bringing you guys a really exciting video. It is my first DIY here on my channel, so I hope you guys absolutely love it. It is how to create these aesthetic gift boxes to put under your Christmas tree. So keep on watching.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
But before we get started with today's video, I wanted to show you guys these amazing products that were sent over to me by Doan. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I am a huge coffee drinker. Look at this mug right here, you guys. I am obsessed with the color of it. It is a black matte color. I mean, let's talk about aesthetic here. It is so cute. I love the details on it. I take it on the go with me. I really feel like this would be an amazing Christmas gift to give to anybody that is a huge coffee lover like myself. Like I said, not only is it a really cute mug, but it is also very inexpensive. I'll go ahead and link the details down below in the description box. You guys can go ahead and check them out. They also carry these guys in white, but you guys know I love me a good black aesthetic, so these are an absolute favorite. Next up, this really pretty organizer right here. Doesn't it look exactly like the one that they carry at Target? I was so shook by the quality of their stuff. It is so good, so clean and minimal. I absolutely love it. Not only can I keep it in my drawers for organization, but I can keep it out on display. It'll look so cute as decoration. As you guys can see, I displayed it right here in my kitchen. I am absolutely obsessed. Last but not least, these really cute bowls. I love these. My husband and my son are huge fans of ramen and stir fry, and he loves making stir fry probably twice, 3 times a week. So these are amazing to have whenever he wants to go ahead and whip himself some food. And I feel like that would be a really great gift for the holidays if you know someone that absolutely loves ramen like my husband does. I love the aesthetic of it. It even comes with a spoon and chopsticks that you can use. I absolutely fell in love with that. So like I said, these are really great to give as a gift, or if you want to just have them out for yourself. I mean, what a great conversation starter would this be if you whip them out whenever you have guests over. I am obsessed with them. All right, guys, so let's get started. So these are the boxes that I already have made, well, gifts. I already have a few made. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I have this one right here, and I have this one right here. This is probably one of my favorites. I mean, look at that. Oh, it came out so pretty. So first off, make sure you guys have some inspo pictures on hand. I know that I rave about Pinterest all the time. I just think it's a great tool to have when it comes to home decor ideas and inspos. Go on Pinterest, get some inspiration, see what direction you're gonna go with as far as these gift boxes go. I already knew what I wanted mine to look like, so make sure you do that. Here are the items that I will be using in today's video. So these boxes right here, I actually already got. They're just cardboard boxes at home, and then I also got these at home as well. I love, this is the size of the black one, and then these are obviously those right there. And then for the items that I'm using, I got these gift tags right here, which I got from Amazon. My cinnamon sticks, which I got from at home. They're for craft purposes only, guys. You can't use these to eat. Keep that in mind. I got my little pine cones on Amazon, my little wreaths at home, my yarn on Amazon, and my bells at Target. I will be linking everything down below for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, guys, so first off, I'm gonna go ahead and start off by building our box just like this. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece of my yarn just like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around my box. Next up, you can go ahead and choose to use whatever detail you want once you've got the yarn on top of the box. I chose to go with the classic just wrapping style, just like this one. I put a bow in the center. You guys saw that I started with the shorter strap, and then I went and moved forward with the longer piece of yarn. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my little pine cones. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the little strap that it comes with, because we're not gonna need that. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna be using 2 of these for this specific gift wrapping style. Another cute little detail that I like to add to my gift box is I take a piece of stem. You can find any stem at Michael's, at Home Goods. Actually, I don't think Home Goods has stems, but Target does. And for very inexpensive, I just took one that I have already here at home. And what I'm gonna do is take it apart into pieces, and that's what I use for the little greenery that I'm gonna add to my boxes. Okay, and of course, I always like to add tags for my gift boxes. This one is for decor purposes only, but if I were to be giving it as a gift to somebody, then you can of course go ahead and write whatever you like on your gift tag. So one thing I want to kind of show you guys is that I personally love the look of a lot of the yarn just kind of sticking out the way that it is. I think it looks really cute, but you can always choose to trim these or just kind of move them around to however you want them to look. I mean, I just kind of play with it like so. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So I already tied the little name tag, and you see how I can just leave it just how it is. It still looks really, really cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and write. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see what I wrote there in the little tag. To my YouTube family, Merry Christmas, love, Brenda. And voila, you guys, it's done. Just and simple and easy like that. You guys can see that I got that done in a matter of minutes, you guys. It took me minutes. All I had to do was honestly glue down the little pine cones, the green stems. All I did was play with some yarn, and boom, how cute is this to give as a gift to someone? I think it is so aesthetic, it is so cute, and let me tell you guys, it looks amazing under your Christmas tree. If you already buy your boxes pre-made like this, it is so much more easier to get it done. Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys with the bigger box. It takes a little bit more time, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you're looking for a quick and easy way to make some aesthetic gift boxes, I hope you enjoyed this one right here. All right, next up, you're gonna need some black wrapping paper. I know this might be a little bit hard to find, guys, but I promise you, if you see it in stores, pick it up. You're absolutely going to love it. I got mine at Michael's. I had to pre-order it before I went to go pick it up. That's how fast it sells out, so make sure you guys go and get it if it's still in stores. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys with a smaller box on how to wrap it with the black wrapping paper, just in case you can't find those really big ones like the one that I have. I think these are much more easier to find, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys with these. But of course, if you do find the bigger boxes, feel free to do it with those as well. Wrapping this black box right here. It is ready to go for decorations. Alright, so once I wrap the yarn a couple of times, it's gonna look just like this, you guys can see. And all I did was just tuck in the remaining at the bottom, to the bottom of the yarn. I absolutely love the aesthetic of it. Now we're gonna go ahead and move forward to the next step. So for this one right here, I'm gonna use these cute little wreaths right here that I showed you guys earlier, which I got from at home. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down. Right here that I just kind of play with it. I wanted to see exactly where I want to put it so I could choose to, you know, actually maneuver them around. So if I want to leave them in the center, I could even move them off to the side before I actually glue them down. For this specific look, I think I want them right in the center. So I made the little wreath to look like an actual one with little jingle bells on it. I think that looks really cute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just glue down my cinnamon sticks. So all I'm gonna do is just put a center of glue right in the middle, and I'm gonna go ahead and underneath make sure you hold it for a couple of seconds until it dries out. Okay, and voila, you're done. So this one right here, I just get creative with it. However, I thought I was going to like it, and I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute. Of course, you can keep going, you can keep adding. That's the best thing about doing your own gift boxes, that you can really just add whatever you want to add to it. If you want to add more bells, add more bells. If you want to add more yarn, add more yarn. You could really get super creative when it comes to these boxes, guys. I absolutely love how this one turned out. I could even go ahead and add some ribbon if you have ribbon, add some greenery. I can actually show you guys right now if I wanted to add just a little bit of greenery to my cinnamon sticks. I can definitely add some greenery, maybe like on each side. You guys see that? So there's just so many things that you can add to it, or if you want them to look just very minimal, then keep them like this. All right, guys, and just as simple and easy as it was to make these boxes here with you guys, you can make them back at home. It is a really cute DIY to do with family and friends, even your kids. They might have fun helping you out. I absolutely love how these boxes came out. Like, these gift boxes look adorable. They look super Pinteresty in my opinion. And you guys saw that it took me minutes, like minutes. You can really get these done so quick and put them under your tree and even gift them as gift boxes to whoever you're gonna give them to. So I really recommend you guys try this out. Remember, I will be linking all the items that I used down below. Go to my TikTok, follow me on TikTok, guys. I'll link it down below as well, and of course follow me on Instagram. But on TikTok, I do post a lot of DIYs, so make sure you guys go follow me on there. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and let me know down below if you're gonna go for it, you're gonna give this a try. And if you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see how your boxes turn out. I hope you guys are staying safe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I'll catch you guys all on my next video. Bye.